Yo, what's good, Emman-X squad? You feel me? You already know what's popping. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back now. Yeah! So, today, what I'm going to be doing is, we're going to be on Monkey. You know what we're going to be doing? See how females on Monkey react to be calling a thought. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. This is dangerous, bruh. You ready? Because I'm not. I'm about to get roasted. I know that for sure. But let's see how it goes.
What's going on?
There it goes.
Wait, what?
Good? Bro, oh my gosh, how many little kids I'm gonna encounter today?
She's not little. For one, don't tell me 'cause
You are 12! You are 12 years old! You are 12 years old!
I'm 21.
You are 12 years old!
Okay. How old are you?
19, get out of here! What are you doing?
Like, still. Right, and I'm 21.
No, you are not. You are not 21.
That's my ID, bitch.
Why would I want to look at your ID?
Try again.
Yo, be quiet, Thot. You know what I'm saying?
Boy, I'm on your bald-headed ass, boy.
I'm bald-headed?
What's up?
What's up? What's up, Thot? We lit?
Tell me.
We lit, Thot?
No, ain't no thought, bitch.
Yo, pause. Come on now. Dang, why always get mad? Oh my gosh. They always call themselves itches. Like, why? Like, come on. Like, and I can't say what's up, Thot. Like, you get me tight. Man. That is crazy. Yo, what's up? What's up, Thots? We lit?
I'm gonna play some volleyball. It's too cold out there. Yeah. Remember last time I used to like it's too hot.
I don't know what that was, but let's continue.
Hi.
Yo, what's up, Thot?
Okay. So, like, I got a big question for you. You wanna know?
What's the question?
Do you like strippers? 'Cause I'm a stripper.
That's the definition of a thought. Yo, how old is you? What is you doing?
17.
Get out of here. What is you doing? Go eat some food. Go eat some food. It's crazy.
What's up, my dude?
Yo, why you always gotta say my dude? Who's my dude?
He looks like Kevin Hart.
Add time.
Kevin Hart.
Add time. Who's Kevin Hart? Add time.
Your mom.
Are you done? Are you done? Yeah, are you done? Are you done? Okay, okay.
Yo, what's poppin', Thot? What is you doing? Ew. That's not booty. That's fat. That's fat. A big lady was twerking.
Jesus Christ.
Woo! That was not cute. Yo, what's poppin'? What's poppin', queen?
Hey,
At that time. What is you doing?
nothing.
How old is you?
18.
18? Is you a thought?
No, I don't thought. I pimp niggas.
Stop fucking lying.
You You pimp? Whoa, shoot! What kind of thought level was this? So is we lit?
You said what?
Is we lit? She laughed. Oh. Hey yo, what's poppin', Thot?
Why you yelling?
At time. At time. What is you doing?
Why the fuck you yelling?
Why? Yo, why is you a Thot?
You a bitch.
Woo. That's crazy.
Yeah.
You scream too much. Yo, what's good, bruh?
Hey, what you bang?
At time, bro.
What?
At time, bro. You a Thot?
What you bang?
Bro, you on my YouTube. Is you a Thot?
Yeah, my...
Oh. Yo, what's poppin'? At time. Oh, hell no. Oh, lordy lord. Oh, no. She ugly. Yo, shoot.
Yo.
Yo, froze on her face too. Like, nigga, you not attractive.
Then you don't know what she's going through. Dude.
I don't care.
I mean,
Yo, bro, what is you doing? What is you doing? You are 12 years old. You are 12 years old. You are 12 years old. Oh my God. What is you doing? Yo, why is these little kids calling niggas little? Like what?
These little niggas is funny though.
They are something different. Hey yo, at time, Queen. What's poppin', Queen?
hi.
How old is you?
I turned 18 weeks.
In 3 weeks?
Yeah.
So you a Thot?
Huh?
So you a Thot?
I'm a thought.
Are you?
No.
So we lit.
Kentucky.
I said that we lit.
Oh, let's say where you live.
Yo, what is you? That's what the Kentucky people be on?
What?
That dust? I'm joking. Damn. Hey, yo, Queen, add that time. Yo, you want to see my...
Yelling.
I'm not yelling. What are you talking about?
You're talking dumb loud.
I don't know. Maybe it's your speakers. Like, you gotta lower the volume. Lower that volume.
Where you from?
I'm from Connecticut. Why you talking me like that? But where you from?
New York.
Okay, that's cute. You want to see my waves?
Do I want to see your waves?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Got you. Yo, I'm telling you, once you say something crazy, you have to follow me, okay? All right, watch. Yo, they valid, right?
You listening to me?
Yeah, I'm listening. At time, I'm listening.
Look crazy.
Yo, what did you? Yo, follow me. Like,
Got it.
Why am I promoting that?
so you saying I'm not lit?
No, it's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you need a haircut, number one. Number two.
Oh my God! Yo, she's from New York, bro. She's from New York. Yo, she's from New York.
Yo, she from New York. That's how you do it, nigga.
All right. I got a question for you.
New York.
What's up?
Can you put me onto a barber in New York? I'll come through and you come with me.
That was a corny way of trying to link.
No, that's not even. Damn, she left.
She saw that bean head, my nigga.
She's on my head. She's on my head, bro. They hit on my head. They hit on my head. She said, I need a cut.
That's what you got Lamar for, man.
Oh
time, shut up.
Flaming.
At time.
I got you.
How old is you?
16.
Oh, hell nah. No wonder you look like that. You ugly as hell. You look like you suck your dad's dick. Oh my god, bro. I'm tired. Shoot, who do you think they is?
Why your face like this?
I feel it.
Why your face like that?
Cause I'm neutral, you feel me? Neutral niggas can do that. Neutral niggas can do that. I'm neutral. I'm not dark skinned. I'm not light skinned. I'm neutral. So I can do that. Look. 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 Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Dang, they left. Nah, man. Nah. You don't need to be fired to have a cut, nigga. Who told you this? Let me see if I had. Oh, never mind. I take that back. Shoot, let me stop.
Nah,
Oh.
you really don't, though, honestly. You know what I'm saying?
I don't need a cut. Like, I'm still valid as hell. Like, who the hell is you? Shoot. At time, you dusty, dust ball looking, dirty rag looking nigga. Like, nigga, I don't understand what you just said, but you can shut up. I don't know what they just said. No cap. Yo. What is you doing? Damn, I'm tired of these damn kids. Bro, what the hell's wrong with these kids, bro? What generation is this? Bro, it's 2019 for you.
Hey, Kevin.
My name's not Kevin.
Hi, bitch. What is it, nigga? I'm a white bitch.
That's crazy. Those are kids. These are your kids. These are your kids. These are your kids. They're not mine. Remember that. These are your kids. Your kids are stupid. Alright? Your kids are stupid. Your kids are stupid, not mine. My kids are smart. I don't even have kids, but my kids are smart. Your kids are stupid. Yo.
Hey.
Yo, what's poppin', queen?
Huh?
What's poppin', queen?
What's good?
At time, how old is you?
How do I sound?
You sound like you 12. What kind of question is that? Like, how old do I sound? You sound like you suck dick, like.
Yo.
Yeah. At time, ooh. At time, what's poppin', queen? How old is you? How old is you? Where you from?
Texas.
Texas. Louisiana. Let me. How old is you? How, whoa, 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 pause. At time, hold on. What is you doing? How old is you?
Old enough. How old are you?
Old enough to be your brother. That's how old.
Okay.
Alright, nah. Alright, I'm 19.
Okay.
How old is you?
Older than you.
Word?
Yeah.
So can I come down to Texas, do that Netflix and
Respect
chill?
your elders.
You were where? What?
Respect your elders.
Yo, can I come through to Texas?
Probably 14.
Netflix and chill?
You want me to babysit?
Nah. I was gonna do Disney Plus and Thrust.
You want me to babysit?
Disney Plus and Thrust? I don't know how you gonna babysit or you can take a seat.
I'm just go. Hey, have a good day.
Hey, wait, I'm at Thanksgiving feast. Hold on, pause. What is you doing?
They put drugs in your turkey or something.
Nah, pause. I'll give you some drugs on my meat, you feel me? Hold on. Damn. It's 2019, 2020's coming soon.
Loki could be a comedian. You funny.
Yo, come on, like what's going on? What's your
Nothing's
what?
going on.
What's your IG? What's your IG?
What?
Follow me. All right, follow me. Why not?
Shit.
You not gonna follow me?
You funny, but you irritate. You the type of nigga I have to fight.
Nah, but if we go fight, it's gonna be like fight night.
No, like I'm like really gonna beat your ass.
Nah. Now you're not gonna beat nobody, you feel me? Unless it's smash your pass, you feel me? What's poppin', queen? Alright, don't answer me then, huh? Don't answer me. Then suck my dick, alright? Suck my dick! Alright, guys. That's the end of it. I'm tired of these damn trash people. They don't know how to talk to people. Either they freaking 12 years old, 14, 15. Apparently, they go in order. Some kids are just retarded. Some people think that I in front of M means E man, must be stupid or something. People call me Kevin Hart, sound like Kevin Hart, McMills, wannabe comedian. Oh my god, how these niggas can suck my dick? Word to me. It's been a hot minute. The girl that dubbed me, she can suck a dick because she just dusty herself. Now she valid. I'm not gonna lie, she was pretty valid. I don't know whoever that other YouTuber is. I guess he has more clout. That's cool. That's cool, my guy. I don't know who you are, but you seem cool.
You don't even know the guy, so how you gonna think he's cool? You got
I don't know.
maybe, I don't know.
Maybe he might be cool. Who knows? That's none of my business. Apparently I need a cut. Which is true. I do need a cut. Lamar is closed, my guy.
The king barber.
Yeah, Lamar is the best. Lamar is the greatest barber in history. No cap. I'm gonna have to go get a blessing. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get myself cut real quick. You feel me?
You know, when I didn't have a cut, I was a whole 9, right?
Mhm.
Out of 10. But when I got that cut, it turned to a whole 20 out of 10, man.
Facts. I feel you, bro. Like the thing is, like the reason why I got dubbed today, right, is because I look like a 9, but they're like, yo, if you get a cut, you look like a 2000. Like I was like, you right. So like, to sum it up.
I don't know, my nigga. Niggas is saying, you ugly, dog. Nah, I just laying,
If
dog.
I get a
Wow.
cut, that means
They wildin', dog.
I'm gonna be looking like a 3000. Like
Yeah, them niggas is wildin', though. That's tough.
all I need to say is all you people that think I'm ugly can suck a dick. All y'all people that think I'm short, like Kevin Hart, can suck my dick. I'm taller than him. Meek Mills, I love his music, so I don't care. He's cool. Kevin Hart's short. That's the only problem. He's a short, angry man. But
Angry. What are you talking about?
nah, Kevin Hart's chill as hell. Thank you guys for viewing the latest. Gosh damn, it's been a hot minute since I uploaded. That's on me. I am very sorry. I'm not too sorry because like I was doing schoolwork, but I'm sorry for not uploading as much as I'm supposed to. Damn. It really be like that though. So I will catch you guys in 2020. Peace.